There's so many messages geared towards people who are assigned male at birth, where you need to be stoic, and that is just so stifling. As a trans person, it was very difficult to figure out what pleasure looked like for me. I coveted this full experience of womanhood, lovely sex scenes set to swelling orchestral music. I bought my first vibrator, and even as like waves of pleasure are rolling over me, I keep imagining what a woman's orgasm looks like. Why can't my body just naturally do that? And I got so frustrated, I would start performing that image that I had in my mind, moaning and squeaking, and before I knew it, it happened. I think that my femininity is a certain type of power that is utterly sublime.